Ever wondered what exactly qualifies as a medical device or how they are classified under the latest Indian regulations? And if you are a manufacturer or importer, which forms you really need to know to stay compliant? Hi, I'm Ansha Khurana, a regulatory affairs specialist, working closely with one of India's leading regulatory consulting firm, Clini Experts. With 15 years of expertise and over 2,000 successful regulatory clearances, we have helped hundreds of pharmaceutical and life sciences companies bring their products to market with confidence and speed. In today's video, we will break down first what is considered a medical device as per Indian regulations. Second, how these devices are classified from low risk to high risk. Third, and the key regulatory forms every stakeholder should know. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is medical device? According to the Medical Devices Rules 2017, a medical device is defined as any instrument, apparatus, appliance, implant, material or other article, whether used alone or in combination, intended for diagnosis, prevention, monitoring, treatment or elevation of disease or injury. This also includes software used for these purposes, whether it's a basic digital thermometer, an advanced MRI machine, or even mobile health apps. They can all fall under the umbrella of medical devices, depending on their intended use. Section 2. How medical devices are classified? Under Indian regulations, medical devices are classified based on risk level, following a 4-tier structure. Class A, low risk, such as surgical dressing, stethoscopes. Class B, low to moderate risk, such as hypodermic needles, infusion sets. Class C, moderate to high risk, like ventilators. Class D, high risk, like implantable pacemakers. The classification is crucial. It determines the level of regulatory control, the type of license you will need, and the regulatory pathway you must follow. Section 3. Essential regulatory forms. Navigating Indian medical device regulation means dealing with a set of regulatory forms. Here are some key ones. Form MD3, application to grant of license to manufacture for sale and distribution of Class A or Class B medical device. Form MD5, license to manufacture for sale or distribution of Class A or Class B medical device. Form MD7, application for grant of license to manufacture for sale or for distribution of Class C or Class D. Form MD9, license to manufacture for sale or for distribution of Class C or Class D. Form MD14, application for issue of import license to import medical devices. Form MD15, license to import devices. Each form has specific condition and documentation. That's where regulatory experts like us at Clini Experts can simplify your path and ensure you meet every compliance checkpoint. Key takeaways. Let's quickly recap the 3 key takeaways from today's video. First, a medical device includes any device or software used in diagnosis, treatment, or prevention, from syringes to scanners. Second, devices are classified into Class A to D based on their risk level, and this impacts your regulatory journey. Third, key forms like MD5, MD9, MD15 are essential to legally manufacture or import devices in India. If you are a manufacturer, importer, or startup in the medical device space, compliance is not optional, but with the right partner, it does not have to be complicated either. At Clini Experts, we guide you through every step from classification to license procurement with clarity, compliance, and confidence. Hit the like button if this helped you, subscribe for more regulatory insights, and don't miss our next video, where we will take a deep dive into the authorized agent for medical devices, specific forms required for importers and manufacturers of medical devices in India. You won't want to miss this. Thank you. Bye-bye.